So this is the Expert Open final heat. So dito natin ma-determine kung sino ang champion. So sino maka-hold shot? Sino maka-hold shot? Sino maka-hold shot? Rai Rai Baitit. Rai Rai Baitit. Followed by Kimboy Pineda. Rai Rai Baitit. Ilcid Maningo second. Rai Rai pa rin. Rai Rai pa rin. Pride of Lantapan, Bukidnon. Followed by, I think that's Amboya Parcon. Correct me if I'm wrong. Comment na lang kayo sa comment section, guys. Rai Rai Baitit pa rin, guys. He is one of the leaders of the point system sa Expert Open 450. Rai Rai Baitit, Pride of Lantapan, Bukidnon. Ilcid Maningo. Oh, munti ka na si Ilcid Maningo, guys. It's Makong Dimata para, guys. Makong Dimata, third. Sorry, akala ko si Amboya Parcon, guys. Si Makong Dimata para, guys. Rai Rai Baitit, followed by Ilcid Maningo, Makong Dimata, Michelin Rivera, Kimboy Pineda, Jeric Mitra, Stanley Nuneza, si Bandigan. Ito na, guys. Ilcid Maningo, guys. Makakahabol siya, guys. Rai Rai Baitit with the inner outer Ilcid Maningo, followed by Makong Dimata, third. Yes, Makong Dimata, guys. Oh, Ilcid Maningo. Michelin Rivera, fourth. Oh, habulan, Jeric Mitra and Kimboy Pineda. Rai Rai pa rin, guys. Rai Rai pa rin sa first. Second, si Ilcid Maningo. Third is Dimata, Makong Dimata. Followed by, humahabol si Rivera, guys, ng Makong Dimata. He is lurking of Makong Dimata. Kan the rider of Manny Pacquiao Racing Team. Nakakahabol si, guys, because he is the contender of the championship of the Expert of this motocross series, guys. Makong Dimata, third. Ang layo na nila, guys. Makong Dimata. Rai Rai Baitit pa rin sa first. Hinahabol ni Ilcid Maningo. Eto na, guys. Rai Rai Baitit. Oh, parang lumalapit na si Ilcid, guys. Battle for champion, Expert. Ang lakas, Pride of Lantapan, Bukidnon. Rai Rai Baitit, guys. Pinawili, guys. Ang galing. And Ilcid Maningo, right, also Cotabato. Napakagaling, guys. Mindanaon, guys. Mindanaon. Makong Dimata is also from Mindanao. From Libona, Bukidnon. And Michelin Rivera from Jensen. Jeric Mitra from Manila. Stanley Nuneza. 6 is Stanley Nuneza, guys. Followed by, so dito na tayo, guys. Rai Rai Baitit pa rin. Walang changes, guys, sa position. Same pa rin. Rai Rai Baitit first. Second, Ilcid Maningo. Third is Makong Dimata. And fourth is Rivera. Pero ang layo na, guys. Ang layo na ng second sa third. Eto, guys. Battle for third. Michelin Rivera. Surpass Makong Dimata. This is the main event. Jeric Mitra, guys. Stanley Nuneza with a high jump. Wala pa rin pagbabago guys. The top 3 that will ito guys. Oh! Outer si Elcid Maningo guys. Makakahabol ba? Makakahabol ba? Hindi guys, hindi. Bar to bar. Ano na, bar to bar. With the momentum. Oh! Humahabol si Elcid Maningo guys. Nasa likod niya si Elcid Maningo ni Ray Ray Baitit guys. Ray Ray Baitit. Makakahabol ba? Oh! Nahabol na ni Elcid Maningo guys. Si Ray Ray Baitit. Sayang si Ray Ray Baitit guys. Elcid Maningo pride of I think Davao guys. Si Elcid Maningo. Comment down below if wrong ako. Lumalayo na si Elcid Maningo guys. Ray Ray Baitit with the second position. Battle, oy! Nahabol na para ni Rivera si Macong Dimata guys. Rivera is now in third position. Ray Ray Baitit. Then he surpassed Elcid Maningo. This is the battle of third. Michelin Rivera, Macong Dimata. Third na po si Michelin Rivera guys. Oh, the rider of Manny Pacquiao. Oh, inner by Macong Dimata. Wala pa rin niya nakuha guys. The rider of Manny Pacquiao, Michelin Rivera. Rivera was sa hope section. Napakagaling guys. Sisiyo lang sa 450 ang hope section dito. Eto na guys. Lumalayo na si Elcid Maningo. Elcid Maningo. Ray Ray Baitit. Oh! Munti ka na si Elcid guys. Munti ka na. Eto na. Battle for third. Macong Dimata and Michelin Rivera. Jeric Mitra. That's Jeric Mitra guys. Riding the KTM. And that's Gogol Cantano. 23. Gogol Cantano. It's Stanley Nuneza guys. And Bandigan. I think it's Doy Doy Bandigan. Eto guys. This is Amboya Parkon guys. Nandito na si Amboya Parkon guys. And Elcid Maningo. Same pa rin. The white flag has been waved guys. So, oh, Elcid Maningo. Ray Ray Baitit. Michelin Rivera with the third position. Macong Dimata, fourth position. Jeric Mitra with the fifth position. Oh, Macong Dimata with the high jump. Iba talaga mga Mindanaon guys. This is Mindanao. Kimboy Pineda. Jesse Pineda. Stanley Nuneza. Bandigan. Okay, winner Elcid Maningo. Second, Ray Ray Baitit. And third, the pride of Manny Pacquiao Racing Team, Rivera. Macong Dimata, fourth. Fifth, Jeric Mitra. That's it guys, that's it. That's the final of the Expert Open. Nice racing. So dito na matatapos guys yung final leg ng Motor Ace Motocross Series.